open it for you.
Hold on!
Don't these fools know we're on the same team?
Juarez, plot us a course to save her.
I'm on it.
Hooch, we need eyes in the sky!
Call for backup. Tell them we're in pursuit of 3 guinea pigs driving mobile sphere.
Actually, did you make that boat? My stomach doesn't do well with action-adventure.
Early, don't you dare!
Yeah, girl, it's disgusting. I can't breathe.
Roll down the window.
These things don't have windows, Hurley.
Oh, that's real professional, guys.
Hooch, where's that recon?
Okay, here come the bad guys.
Better have their A game.
No, you may not.
Oh, Ken, you can just let me out at the next corner.
We got 3 body crashes on our tail.
Come on, hurry up, you're losing them.
They're tossing us in.
Yeah, I got him.
Maybe they want to adopt us.
Not likely, Early. Hold on, guys. Let's unlock it and rock it. Now. Time to divide and conquer.
See ya. Oh, yeah. Come and get me. Where'd he go? How low can you go?
There you go, under the trailer.
Little is a new big. Bye-bye, my pets. Smell you later.
I want to go back to the pet store!
Might want to buckle up.
He paid for undercoating. What a sucker.
Let's see if it protects him from this.
Hey, what's that?
This is my little friend. Say hello.
Hello.
And goodbye. Better hang on to your lunch.
Did we win?
Darwin, I need some help here.
Hooch, I need a visual on Juarez.
Can't get these guys off my tail.
We don't have tail.
Hang on, Juarez. Early, we're going to the fair. Lester, hard right.
All right, Juarez. Let's take it to the house.
Okay, I'm taking the lead.
Here's that box of M80s, Carl. Careful with these.
Come here, you little rodent.
Carl, look out, look out!
Let's let him go.
This is so festive.
This is crazy. This is crazy. These are good seats.
Mess with the bull, you get the horns.
How you doing? Don't try this at home, kids.
That was great. Let's do it again.
Is everybody okay back there?
Super duper, Dad.
Let's do that again.
Wait here and stay hidden. I'm going in.
Well, what? I watch helplessly from the sidelines? I don't think so.
I'm asking you to wait with the kids.
And I'm telling you, not a chance. You're my husband, I'm with you. For better or worse.
I have to do this alone.
What is this to you? Playtime?
No.
So you can be Mr. Incredible again?
No.
Then what? What is it?
I'm not.
Not what?
I'm not strong enough.
Strong enough, and this will make you stronger?
Yes. No.
That's what this is? Some sort of workout?
I can't lose you again. I can't. Not again. I'm not strong enough.
If we work together, you won't have to be.
I don't know what will happen.
Hey, we're superheroes. What could happen?
Violet?
Go!
I'm okay, Mom. Really?
Stay here, okay?